we announce our wild card. So wild card applicants will still have a chance to make it as official candidate as long as na ma-improve nila ang mga dapat nila improve to become official candidate of Mr. Pilipinas. So we will be calling 6 wild cards for today. First, from Marikina, Benjamin Aragon. From Samar, we have Elviro Fuentes. Paranaque, Mark Joseph Cruz. Masantol, Pampanga, Mark Joseph Gadaza. Mexico, Pampanga, Robert Paul Daguo. And Quezon City, James Armani. Ladies and gentlemen, our Misters of Pilipinas wildcard entries. Thank you to our wildcard applicants or entries. You may go back to your respective places. And it's time to announce our official candidates for 11th Annual Misters of Pilipinas. First is from our franchise ng Misters of Pilipinas, Nueva Ecija. He is the grand winner of Misters of Pilipinas Nueva Ecija Regional Contest, Mark Jefferson Viray. And next, from Malabon, Philip Howard Fuertes. From Silang Cavite, Jonathan Dado. From Angeles City, Pampanga, Ayan Abad Santos. Number 5, from Las Piñas, Christian Gomdumano. Steve Christian Gomdumano. And our 6th finalist or official candidate from Zambales, Kurt Daniel Rivera. Next, from Occidental Mindoro, Patrick Reyes. Tondo, Manila, Fort Del Rosario. We have Brian Vargas, Quezon Province. John Michael Yabot, San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. From Cebu Province, Raed Al Segayer. And from Manila, Gistoni Mati. From Laguna, Jose Angelo Canas. From Bulacan, Dre Arias. Catanduanes, Francis Manawa. Nico Santos, Pampanga. And from Cebu City, Gian Antonio Guricelli. Another one from Las Piñas City, Alazer Del Rosario. Last but not the least, we have number from Laguna, Dave Franco. Ladies and gentlemen, our official 20 official candidates so far. And they will be joined by our official candidates from franchises in the Philippines and Filipino communities abroad. Together,